Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maya and I'm your English partner in your English learning journey. So friends, today's video is going to be a little bit different for you. In this video, you will get to know that when you find yourself in a particular situation, like I'm standing in my hospital. Yes, I have come here for my regular checkup. So now you will get to know that how to make sentences when you are in a hospital. Okay friends, well, I have taken my OPD slip. Okay, they have registered my name and everything, and I have come here for my regular checkup. So the doctor has written at least 5 to 6 tests for me, and now I came here to deposit my blood sample here. They told me yesterday that I have to submit my first blood sample, empty stomach. Yes. So, and my second sample will be taken after having food. Yeah, then I will have to come after 2 hours, guys. So I'm going back to my home and I will have my food. I will do my breakfast and then I will come back again here and after 2 hours, and then I will submit my second blood sample here. So guys, this way you can make sentences that if you are standing in a hospital. Okay guys? So guys, if you like my way of making videos this way, so please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, which is English Journey with Maya. I will keep uploading, I will keep making these kind of videos in future also. Well, I'm going back to my home and I can't remain hungry for a very long time. I'm feeling very hungry right now, guys. I'm feeling weakness a little bit because I have been facing a low BP problem for 2 days. So now I'll go to my home and complete my all household chores after having breakfast. First of all, I'll have my breakfast. Okay, then I'll meet you soon. Stay tuned. So welcome back, guys. I have come again in the hospital and I'm going to give my second blood sample. Okay, I'm going to the laboratory. So let's see what my report says and what my doctor says. Okay, I will keep you updated. So I will meet you in the evening. Okay, guys. So stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. I have come in the hospital. Now I'm going to collect my reports and then I will show my reports to the doctor and let's see what the doctor says. Now I'm waiting for my turn. Well, doctor is seeing the other patient. I'm waiting for my turn. Well, I can't speak too loudly because we have to maintain decorum here, right? Now I have given my OPD slip to the pharmacist and he will give me medicine according to the prescription. So let's see. Well, they have diagnosed the problem of low HB. Yes. अच्छा ये सब एक एक बार है ना कैल्शियम भी ये So friends, I have come out of the hospital and my doctor has diagnosed the symptoms of anemia in me, and now she has prescribed me that I have to take good diet as my HB is very low. So that's why I was feeling very weak from many days. So I need to take care of myself, guys. So guys, I hope you like this video and I hope you have learned a lot through this video, that how can you make sentences whenever you go to hospital. Okay, so I will meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and please, if you like my video, then please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so bye bye, take care.